welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit the big button, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're making chocolate poppets.
What poppet do you have?
My jumbo poppet. A unicorn.
What are you making your chocolate poppet with?
With the M&Ms.
Oh, the M&Ms. And what do you got, buddy?
A dinosaur.
All right.
We're all doing it with the M&Ms.
What are you doing, Bob?
I'm going.
Are you done yet?
No.
Goodness.
Maybe. I ate all of the M&Ms. Oh my.
What?
I ate all the M&Ms.
Oh my goodness. It's a good thing it's not like almost bedtime or something, huh? All right, the unicorn is ready for pour.
I'm gonna need.
Bobby.
Huh?
There's 3 minutes left. And you want to do what?
I want to see them.
Open it up.
I want to see it.
It's right there. I think that they are still wet.
I want to touch it.
They're starting to get hard, but they're still tacky.
But I want to touch mine.
Lick your finger, baby girl.
I want to touch mine.
Okay. Just a little finger dab.
Probably going to.
All right. It's not ready yet.
Mine's probably going to.
Night.
Wait.
That's some thick chocolate.
How about we wait how about we wait 15 more minutes and check on them?
We'll check on them right before bed.
Downstairs freezer, here we come. This is gonna be so good tomorrow morning.
Epic.
Right on the top.
Yeah.
Check your bag. Guys, I came back. The twins are going to sleep. So let's check on the chocolates.
Looks like it's almost ready.
I really want to eat it. We're gonna have to check back in the morning.
What did you find?
Puppets?
Your puppets? Are they frozen? Oh, what do we do now?
Eat them.
Eat them?
Yeah.
You want to see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to taste it. These are very good.
Do it on here, please.
Okay. Wait, they're eating theirs?
Is it yummy?
Guys, what are you doing? I'm eating one. Wait, you just ate one.
Tony's came out in bar pieces.
Here explains a reason. It's cracked.
Is it yummy? Alright, let's go get Sophia's. This is Sophia's.
Guys, this is the chocolate life. This is the life. You should definitely try this.
Huh? But you're popping it out.
I'm trying.
Oh.
Are you too, Mom?
Yeah.
Who said are you too?
Am I too? I need to go check on eggs. Think you can take over from here, sister? Yeah, lots of bars of chocolates.
I don't think I could eat that much. Tony, Lizzy, you need to help me. Did you like this video? If you did, give us a like, a subscribe, and a thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you would do any different candies in your poppet, that would be great. Put it down in the comments. Bye. Bye.
Alright, Mama's gotta wash these. Well, I'll let you eat a little bit and then we're gonna put it up, okay?